how's everybody doing? Thank God it's Friday. Like, no, literally, thank God it's Friday. Thank God we're done with this week. Bitcoin! Oh my God, Bitcoin. Like, yo, this, okay, for real, it's kind of terrifying though. But if you've been following this channel, alright, you've been with me since the very day I've been posting about Bitcoin. I've been uploading videos and updates about the crypto market. You should not be terrified. We should be terrified, but we chill. We just chill right now. You know what I mean? Because Bitcoin is down for real though. Like real. Like there is no joke, people. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Look, guys, we said it. I said it. Like it's there. If you're not watching, if you're seeing this video first, you need to go over to the last video, and then you'll see that it actually happened. Like I said that this is where we're coming to, but I'm gonna be terrified when we go below this line, below 780k, and that is, I'm kind of terrified that what's gonna happen. But am I fully terrified? No, because I know for a fact the week is almost over, and it'll be time to ride the rockets. So good day, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, wherever you're watching me from. My name is Blackman, call me Apex Trader, and I just make videos, not random videos about the marketing side, forex, crypto stuff. But right now, for some weeks or two, I've been talking majorly about the crypto market, and I've been talking majorly about this particular kind of market. I've been telling you all this is what's gonna happen, and it's been happening. So make sure you like, you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my updates. Now I sound like a promoter. Alright guys, let's look at the monthly time frame. Look, this is magnificent, guys. Like, if you're here, if you entered around 100k, I'm sorry for you. You were lost. I think I got in later and around 90, and I'm still down. But this is the best time to DCA again, because we don't really know the bottom. I mean, I call my bottom around here. I did call my bottom around this zones, okay? But now is also a very good time to DCA, because you know why? If we look at the monthly gap, let's look at the monthly gap, guys. This is almost over. We are way below. We are almost clearing the monthly gap. We are clearing that monthly gap, guys, and there's nothing more beautiful than that. So don't be afraid, don't panic. We are in the green soon, okay? We are in the green soon, and Bitcoin is going to go up, okay? But I'm sorry if you're in loss. Remember, I told you a lot of people are going to lose money, and a lot of people are going to make money. And the only way to be part of those that won't lose is, one, you follow on this channel, and two, you're holding on and DCAing when it's time to DCA. You're not just DCAing, buying when it just goes red. We don't just buy when it goes red, okay? We buy when it really goes red. And let me tell you something. I know everyone is saying the US government is causing this shit. Look, let me tell you something. Don't rush me, guys. Don't rush me. Let me tell you all something. Whatever Donald Trump is doing for the beneficial of every United States folks. I don't care if he has another bias to it, but look, I know I'm not in the US, okay? I might speak like one, but I know I'm not in the US, and yeah, but if you look at this, think about this. A lot of people are trying to put the FUD on Trump. A lot of people are trying to put the FUD on the recent government, okay? So it is normal to see things like this in order to say, hey, fuck Trump, alright? In order to say Trump isn't the best, in order to say, look, you voted him in, and then what's happening? Look, I keep telling you, the number of people that got into crypto as of December, November was alarming, okay? Those people, it was just so alarming. I kept raising that warning because you don't just see spikes like that, okay? You don't just see spikes like that, and that spike caused us to get to 100k, and now a lot of people are sitting at 100k, and then they're like, oh shit, I should have bought a system when I posted system. So if you're seeing this is the best time to DCA. We are back to close to 60k. We're not gonna get to 60k, guys. We are not gonna get to 60k. We're probably not gonna get to 71k, but we might touch 75k. Alright, we might touch 75k or 77, but I love the fact that we're sitting on 79k. And if the week ends, I would love to see some good pullback to 94k next month. Although Trump said the tariffs on goods, Mexico, Canada, and whatever other countries would strongly be imposed on the March 4th, but that doesn't mean that, hey, the market is going. Look, it's a long way through to end 2025, and you can't just expect the bull market to start on March. Okay, remember I told you all, something is going to happen, some news is going to happen, and we are going to see this kind of spikes again. Remember I said it. Remember I also say this is only going to take the fake people out and keep the real ones. So the real people are the ones who buy low, who buy when it's red. So if you've seen this, my best bid, best time to DCA in again. All right, we if we go back to I'm staying on the weekly time frame because I mean the data is so much. I mean you can already see this, and we crossing that 80k line. All right, 80k line, but I'm open that there should be some liquidity sweep around, probably around this level. Okay, I don't really see us dropping down to 73k, but 76, 75, that looks logical for me. Yeah, that looks logical. Yeah. So once that happens, I'm hoping for good liquidity sweep. And look, I did analyze this with the with the Fibonacci, and I said, look, we are going to discount. All right, when we go discount, that's the best time to DCA. I mean, you can't really say what's going to happen. I didn't really tell us when this spike was going to happen, but I did tell you it will happen, and it did. So pay attention, guys. All right, don't go jumping in when you're not supposed to jump in. Jump in at the right time. All right, and this is one of those right times. This is the time that make billionaires, millionaires, thousandaires, and hundredaires. Now let's look at Doge. I told you, Doge has strong support. Bitcoin dropped hard, right? Bitcoin dropped drastically, but look at Dogecoin. Where my Doge at? Where the Doge? If you're a Doge family, put it in the chat, guys. Put it in the chat. Doge, you might think Doge is dropping, but Doge is dropping drastically, but look again. Let's look at this. It is right here. It's not really, we're not seeing Doge like drop off like that. It's trying its best to hold on to this area. And the crazy part is I marked out all this area as my DCA zone. I marked out all this area as my point of interest, let me put it that way, and it is respecting that. Thank you Doge, thank you crypto, and thank you technical analysis. All right guys, so look at this monthly value. You can see it has cleared the monthly gap completely. All right, so what does this mean? We should be ready for the next spike. There will be another next spike. I don't know if it's gonna come on the 1st of March or the 2nd week of March, but I know there will be another news that would maybe spike the market up to the greener pasture. I don't know. Okay, but I'm telling you this, like I always say, it's gonna happen. It's going to happen. All right, get ready. This is the time to lock in. At first, we'll see Dogecoin beat $1, guys. Dogecoin to $1. Okay, I call this out Dogecoin to $1. The way I see this, it's a very good downtrend, right? Dogecoin to $1. And let's look at XRP. XRP is still holding on to that same zone. I mean, normally I still doubt XRP sometimes, but I look at the fundamentals behind XRP and I'm like, you know what? This cryptocurrency is gonna do well too. I mean, a lot of people are saying it's going to $50. A lot of people are saying it's going to 100. But I'm like, no worries. Let's just see. I mean, it's gonna do well, but I don't know if it's really going to go $50. I mean, if it does go, I'm happy. We're happy. Everybody makes money. Everybody good. So guys, yeah, XRP is respecting our gap. XRP is respecting our POI, and if you notice, that is the more reason why I said the market has not. Why is it only Bitcoin that is heavily affected, guys? Why? Another reason is because a lot of crypto enthusiasts are like, they were all interested in the Trump's campaign, and they were hoping that Trump would bring validation to, cryptocurrency and all this kind of thing, accept everybody, affectionating. But look, this is business, okay? They can't just let the market go up that way. They have to kick out the dust. So they keep having dust at the top, like people who keep buying here. All right, so that's one thing. That's one way to look at the market, and you be like, oh, I'm in a safe zone. You just have to get in when everyone is really going out. All right, and a lot of people will be bagging out their Bitcoin now. A lot of people will be selling, and that, if we go back to Bitcoin, that's why we have that drawdown below. Where my Bitcoin are? Okay, yeah, that's why we have let me go back to the let me go to the daily this time. That's why we have that drawdown below this line, because a lot of people were selling. It broke. A lot of people were hoping this zone hold, but I remember I did mark this out, and then we're here, right? We're here. So a lot of people be like, all right, once the institutions are done selling, they're like, more retailers are now selling. So it's possible that when today ends, we might be closing up above this range. Okay, we might be closing up above 80K, but I don't know how that will play out. Let me know if you think the Bitcoin is ever going to go up next week. Okay, so we might close up above 79, probably above 80, and if that happens, that's good. That shows there was a good liquidity sweep, and then I don't really believe that we'll be going down any much longer, right? So what does this mean? This is the best time to DCA. Last time when Bitcoin was plumping up, I used $20 on my futures trade, and I made more than 100 and something. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take this risk again. I'm just gonna put it in the air, and 1000x leverage. And I'm not saying you all should do this. I mean, mind your risks. Okay, mind your risks. All right, risk management is key. So that being said, that's that for that. Just want to let you all know that, hey, look, it's coming as planned, and this is what is going to happen. Remember, I keep telling you all, another spike. Look, the spike we are going to see from March, April, May, June, July, those spikes are going to be hefty. And if you're not positioned the right way, you will not make the money you are set to make this crypto market. Okay, and the only way to be positioned is to follow me, guys. I speak real facts. I don't just come here to waste your time. Okay, so make sure you like this video, and don't forget, right now I want to start talking more about different cryptocurrencies. If you notice, I keep talking just only about XRP, Doge, and major altcoins that I am investing in. So let me know what you are investing in this crypto market. Let me know. Okay, you've never talked about this token, and I want you to talk about this token. Let me know what you think. Just put it in the comment section. I'll see the comments, and on my next YouTube video, I will talk about our token. I'll tell you what I think about that token, and not just what I think. I mean, I'm not here to just destroy your opinions, but I'll just give you my technical analysis on that token. And don't forget, guys, make sure you join the community. A whole lot will be happening from next week. I'm not just giving we look, it's not just going to be crypto signals, guys. Forex, synthetics, indices peer, crash, boom, everything peers, alright? It's going to be happening on the All Traders community. Mentorship, live trading analysis, a whole lot will be happening on the trading community. Telegram. It's on Telegram, guys. It's only on Telegram for now. We're thinking of opening Discord, but let's just see how many Telegram members we get. Okay, so let's join the Telegram channel. Okay, and for now it's free. Yeah, it's free. So make sure you join in now. Get in those gains. Get locked in those gains, and then let's make this money together. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Okay, please share this video. All right, guys. Catch you in the next one.